Hey guys, in today's video I want to change the battery of iPhone 7 Plus. Let's start it. With the pentalobe screwdrivers, remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the device. These screws are tiny, so make sure to keep them safe. Next, we need to carefully open the screen. Here, instead of using a suction cup, I'm going to use a thin plastic sheet or a plastic pick to create a small gap between the screen and the foam body. Just gently work your way around the edges until the screen is loose enough to open. Be careful when you open the screen because of the flex, the screen flex and the earpiece flex on the right hand. Once the screen is open, we can see the battery connector. We'll need to remove the screws holding the connector plate in place. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws, then gently lift the plate and disconnect the battery connector and the screen connector. Now we are going to carefully remove the old battery. There might be some adhesive holding it in place. You can use isopropyl alcohol, and with the syringe you can inject some alcohol under the battery to soften the glue and remove the battery easily. Now we can use two-sided adhesive. Time to install the new battery. Place the new battery in the slot and make sure the connectors line up. Once it's in place, reconnect the battery's connector and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now install the screen connectors and the earpiece flex or sensor flex in place. Let's power the phone back on and check if the new battery is working properly. And there you have it, the iPhone 7 Plus battery replacement is done. Your phone should now be good as new with a fresh battery. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe Mr. Repairs for more easy DIY repairs. Thank you for watching.